Hey loves, welcome to or back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Evita, and on my channel I love to post videos about my journey to becoming debt free, cash stuffing videos, and also my monthly budget. If that sounds like something you'll be interested in, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you find yourself enjoying today's video, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up. But in today's video, we are going to be closing out my debt tracker on this debt-free Friday for the month of August. So y'all know I always got stories. Oops, sorry for shaking the camera. A lot happened in August. So Capital One, I paid $700 toward that $14.27. Should have broke it in half, but it didn't. But guess what? I ended up, the month of August, I ended up with this balance, but today is September 5th, and now my balance is $900. So I did put money towards it to make it come down even more. I forget what I had to put on there, but it's no longer this balance. But I'm closing out the month of August, and I wrote down on August 31st what the balance was, and this is what the balance was for August 31st. So let me zoom in for you guys. All right, so yeah, August 31st, the balance was $12.67. Access One starting balance was $39.30, ended with $36.01. Gap starting balance was $81.01, ending balance $90.80. All right, listen, Linda, listen. Listen. The reason why my gap is so high is because I got audited for the month of, not the month, but the year of 2020 by the IRS, and they said I owed money, and I was not digging into my emergency fund for that, so I just put it on this credit card. But guess what? My gap is the next one I pay off after Capital One. So Capital One will be paid off this month. Whoop, whoop. Which is September, sorry. So we'll be paid off this month, which is so exciting. I do get 3 paychecks in the month of September, so I'm super excited about that because, like I said, it's going to be paid off. And I'm going to start paying off my gap. I am super excited. I'm going to be putting out like a lot of money towards that. I'm just super excited to start getting this debt paid off. So guess what? I'm skipping Access One because guess what? It's 0 interest, and Gap has a 26% interest. So I'm just going to skip Access One and go straight to the Gap and start paying this off, since it's like almost $10,000. That is ridiculous. Anyways, but don't come for me in the comments. I already know it. I don't want up $1,050. That's because that's how much I owe the IRS. All right, so next, student loans, didn't pay anything. End of balance $42,000. I am so hoping that I am chosen for the you know, whatever it is, by ended with a reduction or forgiven or whatever. I take anything. I will take anything. UMC beginning balance was $58,037. Paid $100, giving us an ending balance of $57,937. AMR beginning balance was $10.50, paid $56, ending balance $9.94. You know what, let me zoom out just a little bit. Oh no, I don't need to zoom out. I'm sorry, I'm in my own little world. I need to add all of these up together. That's what I need to do. All right, so for the month of August, I paid $14.37, which was my total. I don't know, I'll put that right there. $14.37 is what I paid for the month of August. I'm gonna turn that over and add all of my months together, and then subtract it from my starting debt balance. Why did I just do that? All right, so far I have paid off $11,910. Listen, I always put that in the wrong spot, and I'm always looking at it like, why would I put that there? That's because I should probably switch these two, but I've already printed them for the next like year. So let me subtract that $11,910 from $114,619. All right, so that's going to give us an ending balance of debt $102,709. It's an estimate because you know what, my debt have gone up, but instead of me going like back and adding everything up, I'm gonna just leave it at that. So what I am going to do is get the percentage of how much debt I paid off so far. Oh, what? Is that right? I feel like that's wrong. Did I pay off? I paid off 10%. Y'all know I be tripping every time I see it like in a crazy amount. I paid off 10% of my debt. I guess so. What? 10%. Look at that. I take anything. Y'all, look at me. I guess that would be 10% of 114,000. Wow. Wow. Y'all, that is insane. I can't wait to put Capital One right here for Visa for September. Wow, 10%, you guys. I'm like in wow every time I go up like a percentage. I am super excited. I am super thrilled with myself. I am thankful that you guys are on this journey with me. And oh my goodness, I am so excited. Like, all right. So for some odd reason, I always forget to color these in on camera. Like I'll do them off camera, but for some odd reason, I always forget to do it on camera. So I'm going to do it right now. So for Access 1, I get to color in 4 of these little icons. Y'all, Access 1 is about to be out of here too. I am so excited about that. I really can't wait to have Capital One paid off. Y'all know I'm like, I am focused. What Dave Ramsey say? Gazelle intense. That is me. But let me know how much debt you've paid off in the comments below, or let me know if you're debt free. That is so awesome if you are. I want to know about other people's journeys. I just love to hear about like how other people paid off debt, and I love to hear like how much they got into debt, even like how they got into the debt and they were like determined to get themselves out of it. All right, so we colored in 4 for Access 1. For Capital One, I get to color in 11, I think. Let me see. I lied. I get to color in 15. So I'm going to color in 15 of the Capital One. I can see, I don't know if my head was in the camera or not. I'm sorry if it was, but as you can see, I don't care how pretty it looks. I just want them colored in because your girl's about to be so close to being debt free. I know I'm so close to having this paid off. As you all can see, there isn't that many left. Not that many credit cards are left. Woohoo! All right, so for AMR, I only get to color in 1, which is a-okay. AMR, you guys, I don't know if you've been following me for a while, but short story, I'm not paying them off. I mean, I'm paying them off, but I'm in no rush to pay them off. The balance is very low, but I'm in no rush to pay them off. There's 0 interest rate, so I'm gonna just leave it at that. All right, so yeah, all of that is colored in. So if you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will talk to you all in my next one. Bye.